Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to show you how to do a major upgrade on your tractor seat for your 3 Series tractor. We have a 3025E, and I'm sure it'll work on other tractors as well. Okay, so I purchased a 3025E tractor 3 years ago. This is original seat right here, and I just purchased this seat here. I'll have the part number later for you in the video, but this seat here, too much riding time on there, just kills your tailbones. There's not much to it, and I've just had enough of that, so I put out the money on this. This was like it's like right around $900 or so, something like that. And the difference with this is a suspension seat. Okay, this thing is going to go up and down, up and down. You adjust it to your weight. There's a little dial right here. You just dial in your weight, and then it's going to go up and down for you. It's going to bounce, so it's not going to be bouncing off your tailbone all day long. Also, has armrest. I also bought these armrests to go with it. Padded armrest, so you're not banging up your elbow all day long. And so these were an extra $100 for these armrests. So altogether you got about $1,000 in there. But the other thing this thing does is you turn this dial right here. Okay, you can bring it backwards, bring it forwards, whatever you want, and these will go up and down, and your life will be so much better putting this seat on your tractor. Now these are actually zero turn seats. Okay, they don't have an upgrade seat for this tractor, so you got to get onto the zero turn list and get it from their seats, and then you're just going to drill a couple extra holes in your frame, and then this seat's going to go right on your tractor. Okay, so this is what the original seat looks like in here, and it's just no frills seat. It goes on with six bolts, and you just flip this seat forward, take out the 6 bolts, the seat's going to come right off. Okay, and before you take the seat off, unplug your little safety seat switch here also, because that's going to plug into your new one. Okay, then all you've got left is just a frame here, and you just got to drill a couple additional holes to have it line up with your new suspension seat that we stole from the zero turn parts list. Okay, so you'll find this on the John Deere parts website. It's a AUC 11927, AUC 11927. And then this is the older model. They have a newer model now. It has green instead of the black stripes, and that number is AUC 19586. That's AUC 19586, and that's the green one. The other number I gave you is one with the black stripes. Okay, so we just measured this from here to here, here to here, here to here, there to there. We just measured the distance in between all these bolts, and we came over here and we just put our little X's right there. Now we're going to drill our 4 holes. Alright, so once you drill those 4 holes, that seat will fit right on there, that bracket, and you're going to fasten it down with these right here. 8mm nuts. Okay, it goes right through the old existing frame, and just right on here like this. Okay, you'll have one here, you got one down here, and then you got one in the back and one in the back. Okay, so these are 8mm nuts, but to put them on you use a 13mm socket, and I just flipped the whole seat up, and then just put it on there, and you can ratchet it right in there. Do that on all 4. Okay, for these bottom ones, you're going to need this little knuckle joint right here to be able to fit it in there without, so your screw gun doesn't hit. Okay, so after you bolt those 4 nuts on, just go ahead, don't forget to plug in your safety switch in here. Okay, so these armrests here will adjust right here with this little knob. You can have them up or you can have them down. Okay, don't forget to adjust your back right here. You can just turn this knob. That will swing me back, or go like this, and it's going to lean me forward. Okay, I went ahead and dialed in the way. I ran it all the way down to 100 for now. I'm on 150 pounds, but ran it down to 100 from now. But as you can see, that thing goes up and down like that when you're traveling alone, and you are not going to be pounding your spine or your tailbone. It nicely goes up and down. It's a zero-turn mower seat, but we adapted it in short time for a 3025E tractor, and your world will be a lot nicer if you're running this tractor all day. It sits higher, you can still reach your pedals okay, and let me show you how to move it back and forth. Okay, you still got your lever here, you can go forwards or backwards, whatever you want to do, and just got to drill 4 holes and mount it on that bracket, and you are going to have the most comfortable tractor seat on the market. Of course, it's not on the market. We had to prefabricate it, and that was real easy just by drilling 4 more holes. They're made for 0 turns, and I got them on all my 0 turns now, but one on the tractor is going to be a big bonus. And like I said, these seats come with these armrests, which are fine, but if you want to be, actually it goes this way, but if you want to be extra comfy, pay the money for these. They're twice as thick and 3 times as soft. You still got your old seat belts here, but this seat also comes with seat belts. Okay, so there you have it. You turn your John Deere 3025E series tractor from a regular seat into a Cadillac seat. And hope you liked the video, and hit the like button if you do. And if you want to subscribe, we're going to have a lot more videos coming out.